We want to introduce new degrees of freedom into magnetic resonance imaging. That means we want to be able to make the imaging faster, more reliable, higher contrast, higher resolution, or we want to enhance patient comfort. A specific problem is medical imaging of small children, which you have to convince to remain motionless inside an MRI scanner for maybe 30 minutes. And with the help of metamaterials, we might be able to make the scanning faster. That means we will only have to wait for a fraction of that time.
In principle, if you put the metamaterial on the body, the metamaterials is able to focus the magnetic field and in this way increase the image quality of the MRI scanner.
The metasurfaces we are using enable us to change the behavior in the MR scanner. As you can maybe see here, we have adjustable components on those metasurfaces. We don't know beforehand what kind of magnetic field distribution we actually get when we set the parameters in some way. AI is enabling us to find out the correct parameter configuration in order to achieve a higher imaging efficiency.
The perfect solution would be a deep learning optimized metamaterial that uniquely adapts to the patient of interest. That means we can control all degrees of freedom in our metamaterial to optimize any kind of imaging situation that could occur in clinical practice.